Nakatanggap ako ng sulat mula sa amin. Nakalarawan doon ng aking mga pangarap. At bigla akong lumuha dahil ako'y sabik na sa lalawigan kong minumot siya. Naghihintay pa rin ang irog ko dun sa amin. Mga magulang na may nag-aalala sa akin. Kung masilayan ko man lamang bundok parang at batis, magaan ang hirap ko at pasakit. Awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling mo, oh Sierra Madre, kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap.
Rayaw
ni Ilocano.
Ano kaya ang gagawin ko ngayong wala na? Natitirang pag-asa sa aking mga pangarap. Kung masilayan ko man lamang bundok parang at batis, gumagaan ang hirap ko at pasakit. Awitin ko'y makauwi na sa duyan ng aking kamusmusan. Sa piling mo, oh Sierra Madre, kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap. Kandungan mo'y laging hinahanap.
Okay, another requested song, Side by Side. The first scene was the truth, and the other where we claim each other with tears of joy we cry. Our friends wish this life there forever as we walk from the church side by side. My next scene was the crowd in that courtroom, and like strangers we sat side by side. Then I heard the judge make his decision, and no longer won't be man and wife. Rayaw ni Ilocano. side of that courtroom where man-made lush blue sky lost her sight. Then our clerk wrote the story in the record at church and comfort and then goodbye. We walked from the courtroom together. We shook hands and once again we cried. That it was the end of our story. Our church and conclude and then goodbye.
Ni Ilocano.